In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the IKEA website, focusing specifically on browsing and selecting bed frames. Whether you're redecorating your room or simply upgrading your sleeping quarters, this guide will help you easily find the perfect bed frame without any hassle. To start, head over to your preferred web browser and go to the IKEA website. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the beds section. If you're unsure where to find it, you can typically see it listed under the main categories or menu sections on their homepage. This is where you'll find all types of beds, and for today's guide, our primary focus will be on bed frames. Once in the beds section, you should see a variety of options, including different types of bed frames. There will be listings that show information like size and material, as well as photographs to help you visualize how each option might fit in your space. You can scroll through these products and click on any particular bed frame for more detailed information, such as dimensions and materials. Don't hesitate to use any sorting or filtering options available on the site. These can help you narrow down your choices based on what best suits your needs, whether it's by size or design style. Now, let's talk about adding a bed frame to your shopping cart. Once you've found a bed frame that catches your eye, the next step is to look for the Add to Cart button. This is usually found near the product details and pricing information. Click this button to add the product to your cart. It's a simple way to save items that you're interested in purchasing, and having it in your cart makes it easy to review before you finalize your decision. If you're new to online shopping or purchasing from IKEA, you may want to check your shopping cart. To do this, locate the shopping cart icon, typically at the top right of the web page. Clicking on it will show you a summary of the items you've selected. This is a good opportunity to double check your selections and ensure you've added the correct items and quantities. That's the gist of browsing and adding items to your shopping basket on the IKEA site. Focusing on bed frames. Remember, if you need further details specific to a bed frame, it's beneficial to read customer reviews and look at any additional photos provided. These can give you a better sense of the product's quality and how it fits into different home styles. Feel free to explore other features and products on the IKEA website to further enhance your shopping experience. Happy shopping, and may you find the bed frame that offers both style and comfort to your sanctuary.